Hello everyone. Today I'm going to fix my this blender, Osterizer blender. This one I bought like what, about 20 years ago. One time this one was broken. Then I bought this from Home Depot. It takes like $2 something. I fixed it. Now after 20 years, my this parts. Look at this one. Is get round. It should be square. It get round. So it's not blending. When I turn it on, it's not blend. It's not rounding. So like this. It's not sitting here. It's easily moving. So I ordered the parts. It came from China. It still takes like $2.38 something. I'll open this. This is the parts. That's the one stud pin. This pin should be square like this. But my one, look, if you look, my one is get round all the way top. So I need to replace this one. So I ordered this. It came everything. But I don't need this. I need only this too. Maybe this one. So let me open this first. Let's open this. For open, you don't need to open this screw and this screw. This one and this one. We keep this. We need this four screw to open. I don't have enough tools, So let's see what can I do with this. So this is the screwdriver, and let me try with this. This leg is broken, so maybe it's work with this. Yes, it does. So let me open this. Yes, work. So let's open everything. Open one and one everything. Ow. Okay. Oh, okay. It's a very simple thing. Okay, I open this. Let's open this part. So this two screw, see, is covered this. This one covered the motor and the fan. So the protect this wire. So okay. Now I need to open this side. I don't need to open everything. So I need to open because I'm not changing the whole thing. I'm not changing the whole thing. I'm not changing this. If I change this, then I need to open everything. So, but I'm not changing this. Easy way, just I need this, I'll change this. Okay, so let me get a cloth to hold this part. This is very sharp. Coming back. Okay, came back. I get this from the kitchen. So I'll hold this and open this. Hold this with the left hand. And let's see, open with this. So let me fix this. Okay, yes. So I need to hold this first. Where is my thing? Oh, it's inside. Okay, and open this. This is anti-clockwise. I have to open. Oh my God. Okay, it's opened. Okay, it's okay. So this is the parts. This one. This one is this. So I am not changing this. This is good. So easy way to remove. Now, okay. Now, see this one is get round. It's a little thing, $2 things, and whole blender is not working, it's garbage. But now it will work. So now let me replace only this. See, this one is a round, I mean square. So I'll put this here. I hope it will work. Okay, good. Let me tidy it up. Hold this again and tie this up clockwise. Okay, tight enough. Okay, it's tight enough. That's it, it's fixed. Let me check. Let's check with this. Is good? Should be good. Yep, it's good. Now it's not moving, it's good. Okay, now let me cover it up again. Only 5-minute job. Save my, about 20 years ago I bought this. I paid like $80 with tax, $84, something like that. Now it's good. I saved my $84. Let's see which way it should go. Be careful with the word. No. Okay, good. Good, good. Yes, now let's pour everything. It's not complicated, very easy. If you have a screwdriver like this one, I mean this one, I'll show you. See, this kind of screwdriver goes here, and so just open the bit. We don't need the bit, we just need that hole, and we can use it. Okay. Okay. One is tight. This one is broken, so this is fat, and this one is skinny. So that's why this is not going inside. So I'll use this one. Next, just you need one of this. This one is broken, so it's not working. I'll try. Okay, now I get the screw. Screw gun is easily, I can tighten it. Okay, this is tight. Oh my God, it's not coming up. Come. Okay. Now this one, yes. Okay. So that's it. Now let me try it. Okay. Move this, everything. Okay. So yes, it's good now. Let me connect the electricity. Okay, let me try it now. Yeah, flip. See, it's working. Perfect. Save my $80. But that's it. So fix like this and save your money. Okay. Bye for now.